In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your email signature here in Gmail. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Gmail specific content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to change your email signature here in Gmail, begin by opening up Gmail and clicking the gear icon up in the top right. This is going to open up your settings right here, and what you're going to want to do is actually select the option to see all settings. From here, it's going to open up a more complicated looking page if we're being honest. What you're going to want to do though is just simply scroll down on this page until you see the signature option right here. Now from here, you can either create a new signature, which in my case is what I'd have to do, or you can edit your existing one by simply selecting it and making changes. If you have made a new one, just make sure you set it as your default signature for new emails and replies. Then scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You're going to have this option to save changes. Go ahead and make sure that you save those changes. Otherwise, obviously, it's not going to pop up. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Your new signature is now going to appear automatically in your emails. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But if you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.